Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, we are standing near our hives in the Department of Entomology, Pir Mir Ali Shahar at Agriculture University, Rawalpindi. This is our practical number 4, how to inspect the colony. So, first of all, for inspecting the colony, we need 3 equipments. Number 1 is smoker, number 2 is bee whale, and number 3 is hive tool. So we can use any type of hive tool. So why to inspect the colony? Because we want to observe that whether the queen is healthy or not, whether the queen is laying eggs or not laying the eggs. Number 2, we want to observe the incidence of any disease or mite attack. Number 3, we want to observe the population of bees. The population of bees means adult bees and brood. Brood is of 2 types. Number 1 is open brood. In open brood, we include both eggs and larvae. And in sealed brood, we include sealed brood pupae. So number 3 is the honey and pollen store, because the bees use pollens to form the bee bread, which is a source of protein, to produce more royal jelly for larvae and queen. And the honey is a rich energy source which is needed by our bees. So while observing the colony, we observe how many frames of brood are there, how many frames of honey are there, what is the population of bees, what is the population of brood, and whether there is disease or not. And after that, we make a report, which is very much important, on which we designate number to the colony, and we write the date of observation, and then we record all the conditions which we have observed during colony inspection. So let us start the observation of colony. For observing colony, the first thing is to wear the bee whale. This one is bee whale. The color of this mesh is white and the color of this mesh is black. Here we can see clearly the bees with the help of black mesh. So we wear it. While wearing, please keep in mind that the bee whale should be very tight on the base of our shoulder so that the bees cannot enter. Some bees, which are called guard bees, they may sting us on the face, on the head. So protective veil is the first requirement to inspect the colony. The second one is a smoker. It should be very well ignited with the fuel material. So it is okay. And the third one is our hive tool. I like this hive tool because we can use both the ways. With this side and only we give some puff at the entrance of the colony, and then we gently lift the outer cover and place it along the side of the colony. And then we should never stand in front of entrance. Then give some slight puffs. Those sides. So first we want to see the side hive. This one is the honey comb, and we are seeing somewhat honey on the side. We can gently lift the frame. This is almost more than half of the honey. You can see, but I am observing that the side frames are made up of honey and the second frame is made of pollen, and from third to seventh frame, these frames are made of brood, and the brood is composed of two types, sealed brood and honey right here. So this is all about today's demonstration, how to inspect the colony. So gently we will keep the inner cover on the colony and then outer cover. So what we have observed? We have observed at least 2 frames of honey and 1 frame of sealed brood, and at least 4 frames of adult bees. Queen is laying some eggs but not more, and there are some incidents of mites here. So this was all about the report of today's colony inspection. Thank you very much.